Hi, I am Kuan Victoria. I am a doctor candidate in business administration with Manipal Global Next University, Malaysia. This is a testimonial video pre-recorded about a message that I would like to send to the global audience about Eudoxia Research Center India and their work. Eudoxia Research Center India and Eudoxia Research University in USA. It's really a very unique organization that consists of a very helpful Eudoxia team, and they offer programs to support the global community of researchers, academicians, faculty members, and they run and offer different programs. And some of those programs that I really find it helpful are the IIP. I signed up for the IIP, International Innovation Program, and another one is the FDP, Faculty Development Programs, and last one is the authorship for researchers about research methods, research methodology, thesis selections, and titles that you would like to discuss, and select the best title for your thesis writing, manuscript drafting. So it is really a platform for connecting the global research community to come together on this platform and to listen to very established speakers, eminent speakers from different fields, and sharing their research methods, methodologies, what their experience are in terms of providing very clear guidelines, systematic, informative guides, and all the webinars are really impressive. I find it really helpful and right to the point and concise. It's just like you don't have to waste so much time about flipping different types of books about different methods and methodologies about research. So I would encourage everyone to sign up for the program offered by Eudoxia Research Center, and I would encourage everyone to try the best to find out what Eudoxia research centers, their programs can offer to you. And I hope that with easy availability and connections platform, such as the Zoom features and also recorded medium, everyone can be an active researchers and produce good quality research work, research papers, try very much to improvise and contribute more in terms of the scholarly work. And thank you. I congratulate Eudoxia to keep up the good and impressive work to support the global research community.